What's up everybody, it's Andrew, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use math operations within automations and workflows. This is a really powerful tool that we can use as an action in order to perform lots of different math functions using dates, custom fields, custom values, and lots of different information. Super exciting, so let's dive right in. Obviously, we're going to be on our sub account under automations, and then we're going to go ahead and open up a new workflow or an existing one in order to use our math operation action. Now, you can use this with any triggers that you would like, but in order to use this, you're going to go ahead and click the plus button, and then under actions, you can look up math and use math operation. Now, to get started using math operations, you'll first have to select a field. This is the field that we're going to actually be using in our math operation. And you can select this from date fields, which will give you either current date or date of birth. You can also use this with custom fields, so any of the custom fields that you have on your sub account, or you can use this with custom values, also the custom values that you have on your sub account. Now, once you select a field that you're going to be using within this math operation, for example, we're going to be using initial investment amount. You can either add, subtract, multiply, or divide. We can select that under this operator dropdown. So let's say multiply, and then we can select our value over here. So let's say multiply by 2. This works the same with all the different operators. So this will be add by 2, subtract 2, multiply by 2, and divide by 2. For this value, we can use an actual custom field by clicking this tag over here, and we can find a custom field or custom value from either contact, custom fields, and then here we're going to be listed all of our different numerical and monetary based custom fields, because obviously we are performing a math operation, so we need to be using a number based field. So for example, if we want to divide by, let's say, our product pricing right here, then it'll drop that custom value right in there and then we'll be good to go. Additionally, we can click add operator and we can do another operation within this single math option. So in order to, let's say, divide by our product pricing and then go ahead and add 10, we can update this field just like this. And then we want to actually select in the last step what field we're actually going to be updating. So the way the math operation works is it takes one field, that is the initial investment amount, the first field we selected, then performs a math operation and then updates another field with this last part right here. So we can select our field. Let's say we're actually going to update the same field by selecting initial investment amount, just like that. Then we can click save action and we will be good to go. Now, to give you a real business use case, I'm going to show you how this works with our idea valuation tool. This is a survey that we actually have created that you can see right here, which we use in order to evaluate the valuation of different business ideas. As you can see, this is where we're getting that initial investment amount field that we're using within our math operation. So for example, in this workflow, just as a little example business use case, we're going to use a trigger of survey submitted. That's going to be that form that we just showed you, or that survey. Then select survey is idea evaluation tool. So now we have a trigger. So this automation will run whenever somebody submits that survey. Then in that math operation, we're going to perform that initial investment amount that the user inputted in this survey right here is then going to be divided by the product pricing. And then we're going to add 10 and we're going to update the initial investment amount, or we can even change another field. For example, your business idea is worth X. So if we want to perform additional math operations that aren't happening just within this survey, we can use this math operation in order to take the initial investment amount, divide it by the pricing, add 10, and then it will update the field for your business idea is worth. And then we can use this new field in whatever way we would like. So for example, if we would like to send an SMS with that new field, we can click send SMS. Then from our custom values, we're going to go to contact, look up your business idea is worth. There it is. And then we can click save. And now we're going to send an SMS with that new field after it's been updated after using that math operation. This has been a quick overview of the math operation within workflows. I hope you found it helpful. And as always, if you have any questions, refer to the help doc. And of course, thank you so much for watching.